Dun 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 dun. Ta-da! There's the instructions. You do that thing there, and then you do a thing there, and then you do a thing there. Shall we peek? I feel like Indiana Jones opening up the Ark. And there's all the stuff. Everything's pretty much color coded, and so the black line goes to the antenna, and this guy goes to the router. Yeah, there's the antenna. And there's the tripod mount, which I won't be using. Is it a spaceship? No. This is the router. This is the whole thing. Gorgeous as everything else that Elon's companies make.